Hello everyone and welcome back to our course. In this lecture, we're going to learn what is a data frame. In this course, we're going to learn how we can build data frames with PySpark, but first we need to know what actually is a data frame. A data frame is a distributed collection of rows under named columns. So you have rows and you have a header as well for each column. And each column represents a different property of the row, which represents an item. This may sound familiar to you if you've ever worked with data before, because this is the equivalent of a table in a relational database, as well as an Excel sheet with column headers, and a data frame is equivalent to a data frame in R or Python, if you've ever worked with those. The data frame of Apache Spark is different from a table, a sheet, or a data frame in R or Python, however, because it provides richer optimizations under the hood. So that's what makes it a lot more efficient. The advantages of using data frames are that they are designed for processing large collections of structured or even semi-structured data. They can handle petabytes of data, so those are very large amounts. As well, the Spark data frame has support for a wide range of data formats and sources. And the Spark data frame supports different languages like Python, R, Scala, and Java. And that is a data frame. Shortly, we are going to begin actually coding out a data frame with PySpark. So join me in our next lecture where we'll continue the course.